Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create Brevo email template. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and get to the Brevo website. Now sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, click on Templates in the left side panel, select Create Template at the top right corner, and then just click on Email Template. Now, just type in your template name, subject line, and preview text. Just type in anything you want, and then click on the Next Step button. Here, you just need to select your design from the templates. Just choose any one of these and click on it. Now, you can customize this template however you want using all the options here. After that, you can just click on Save and Quit near the top right corner, and the preview will be displayed on your screen. You just need to click on the Save and Activate button and then get back to the templates. You can see that the template was created successfully. So that's basically how you can create Brevo email template. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.